HEMI Grandma here. Need to go down and get some gas. Went for a bike ride to Iowa today. Quite interesting, so I'll give you a little update on that. But definitely need gas or this fat ass will be walking. Anywho, I will say, you Minnesotans, that the Iowa people on their motorcycles actually do wave, the motorcycle wave, more than the Minnesotan people do. So, let's get on that. And for the first time in 8 years of riding motorcycle, I got shit on by a bird. So, excuse me to the people who behind me thought I was having an epileptic seizure. I was just trying to get the bird shit off me. Fucking crazy. Gross. Nasty ass. It's a beautiful day though. I was gonna try to... Oh, you fucking seatbelt noise. Shut the fuck up. Good Lord. Yeah, bite me. That'll shut you up. What the fuck is that? Good Lord, I hope you can see that in the window in the back, but I don't think you can. Looks like a fucking meter maid on crack. Wow. I will get me one of them. For fuck's sakes. Retards. Anywho, I'll be right back. I need to get me some gas.